Hi, I'm Katie Richard, Sports and Wellness Director of Thibodeau Regional. And as leaders in health and wellness, Thibodeau Regional is always looking for ways to be able to promote the health of the people in our region. And so collaborating and partnering with the Culinary Medicine program was just another way for us to try to make a difference. So I'm here today with some faculty of that program, and they're going to tell you about their program and what roles they play and how it impacts our community.
Hi, I am Allison Gobert. I am a registered dietitian and I teach the LSU School of Medicine students lectures on various nutrition topics throughout the day before we head into our kitchen lab segment with Chef Jana.
And hello, I'm Chef Jana Bio, and I teach here at the Chef John Folse Culinary Institute at Nicholls State University in Thibodaux, Louisiana. And yes, when they finish lectures with Miss Allison, they then come with me into the kitchen and we prepare and cook and talk about different recipes that are associated with whatever sort of nutritional topics of that day and different health issues that we might be trying to learn about.
So have y'all seen some eye-opening experiences through the students? What do you feel is really interesting about when they have those aha moments about food, so as a teacher?
Yeah, so beyond just learning tons of cooking skills with Chef Jana in the kitchen, we talk a lot about different health conditions that they may come into contact with patients who need to make changes with their diet. And so the goal of this program is for them to learn how to initiate some of those conversations, not only about making recommendations with the foods that they should eat more of, but also how to prepare those foods, because whenever they can learn the skills themselves, then they're better able to teach their patients.
And the substitutions that they can make in order to make tiny adjustments for a healthier diet.
And that's great. And you, from the chef side of things, when you're looking at these young folks coming through, have you seen them really be surprised by some of the things in the kitchen that you can do?
Oh yes, absolutely. This summer I've come up with some different techniques and like little skills and tidbits that the average person who's not a chef just doesn't even think about or know. So like I showed someone yesterday how to peel ginger with a spoon and he was just like, pow, wow, that was amazing. I've always been using a knife or a peeler, and I'm like, it's that simple.
Yeah. And when they're able to learn things like that, you're able to incorporate more herbs and spices that maybe aren't typically in your diet, and that's what makes food more flavorful without adding like a bunch of salt. You know?
Yes. In South Louisiana, we seem to love the salt, right? Yes. So thank y'all so much for being committed to teaching new ways and in new ideas on how we're going to really make the difference in the health of the people in Louisiana. I feel like this program and the partnership between Thibodaux Regional and the Culinary Medicine program is really a powerful one to try to make a difference in our future. So thank you.
Thank you.